Hello Internet, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at the new Monster Illuminessence Small Space Mood Lighting Kit. We've already done the large space and some of the other unboxings. If you want to see those, because this is just one in a series of videos, you can check them out at PLUGHITZLive.com. And so here we're going to take a look at the small space kit, and based on the photo on the front, we're going to say that Monster's definition of a small space is more along the lines of a bedroom versus a living room, which is what the large space kit was for. This comes with a bulb and probably a single LED strip, but let's find out for sure what is in this box and more importantly, what is not in this box. So, based on our previous products, we can take the guess that here we have our LED bulb, and based on the other products in this series, we can say for sure that this is going to be a 7-watt LED RGB bulb with the Monster logo on one side. RGB means that it is color changing, basically to the color that you want. So that's one product. The second product in the box is a single LED tape strip, as opposed to the large set, which is 2 of each of these. LED strip lighting, for those who don't know, is pretty easy. On one side is a series of lighted diodes, and on the back is some 3M adhesive tape that makes it really easy to attach to the back of a television, maybe around the bottom of a bed or something like that. Obviously, you'll need to power this, and that is where this cable comes in. On one side, it is a USB connector. On the other side, it is 4 pins, and those 4 pins match up with the end of the LED strip right here. So this is how you will power your LED strip. It's pretty easy. Obviously, if you want to plug it into your television, you can plug it in directly using the USB into the service port on the back of the TV. But if you want to put it, say, under the bed, like I mentioned before, you will need a power adapter to be able to power that. We have also got in here our remote control, and if you've watched our other videos, this is the exact same remote, thank goodness. So it won't be any different from any of the other sets. If maybe you also put one of these in the living room, this will be non-confusing for you. The one thing that's important to note is that it does take 2 AAA batteries that do not come in the box, so make sure that you have those AAAs if you want to use it as soon as you get it. On the front, we have power, we've got a color wheel, we've got brightness and speed and some other settings across the front, and that should control the entire kit together, not individual pieces. And then we have our getting started guide, which has a lot of information, and on one side it will have all of the products in the new Illuminessence family, and on the other side it has information on how to set up your new product, including plugging, where the LED bulb can go, and then how you can set up the tape strip. But do know that the tape strip is incredibly easy to set up, so long as you're not afraid to plug some things together. And that there is our collection of products in the small space LED mood lighting kit. Again, designed for a bedroom or something like that, because it's got 1 bulb and 1 tape strip. Like I mentioned, there's also a large set. We've also looked at 2 LEDs just the bulbs, and then also the tape strip. So there's lots of configurations that you can put together to make this work in your house. We've done a lot of unboxings. To see all of those, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com, and to see our reviews, you can go to the same place with the menu on the left. Just hit reviews, and you will see the reviews for these as soon as we're done. Obviously, they had not been started, as we've just opened the box here on tape. So definitely keep an eye out for those reviews over the coming days. And until next time, ciao.